in the current indictment. But sources close to Trump, as we said, are telling CNN they believe he'll be indicted again. They believe the next time, most likely in Georgia. And we're learning tonight that law enforcement officials there are actually taking steps to prepare. We're actually on the ground in Miami. Nick Valencia is out front in Atlanta. And Nick, you had a chance to speak with the sheriff there. What did you learn?
Aaron, it's no secret that there's been months of anticipation about the potential of charges against the former president here in Fulton County in Atlanta. And it was earlier this evening that I spoke to the Fulton County Sheriff, Pat Labat, who told me that he was essentially on a research mission in Miami, going there to look at the safety and security situation should the former president be indicted here in Atlanta. And it's interesting because in the days after Trump's court appearance in New York, I spoke to the sheriff, and it was then that he told me he had sent a team up to New York to also assess the safety and security situation. We now know that he did the same in Miami. And this is what the sheriff's office is saying in a statement to CNN, saying, based on notice provided by the Fulton County District Attorney's Office regarding the intent to announce charging decisions this summer related to the criminal investigation into attempts to influence administration of the 2020 Georgia general election, the Fulton County Sheriff's Office is coordinating with local, state, and federal agencies to ensure that our law enforcement community is equipped and prepared to protect the public. And it was in April that the district attorney here in Fulton County, Fani Willis, sent a letter to law enforcement officials, which included the sheriff, Pat Labat, telling them that she anticipates to make her decision about charges between July 11th and September 1st. We now know that this has been a long-running investigation. She started in January of 2021 in a now infamous phone call between the former president and Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger, and this has been broad in scope, looking at the potential of charges of racketeering as well as obstruction, potentially against the former president, Donald Trump. Aaron.
All right, Nick, thank you very much. Ryan Goodman is with me now, the former special counsel of the Department of Defense, and Alyssa Farah Griffin, former Trump White House director of strategic communications. Thanks to both. All right, so Ryan, let me just start with you with what Nick's talking about. Sources close to Trump say they do believe that he'll be indicted at least one more time. So there could be more DOJ, January 6th. They believe it will likely be in Georgia. Do you agree that that's the next?
I agree that that's at least one of the next. So in early to mid-August, it definitely appears as though he will be indicted in Fulton County, Georgia, and that there was one question mark maybe placed on this after the indictment was handed down by the by the Department of Justice, which is Letitia James, the New York Attorney General, said, oh, no, these cases are going to be put on hold. Today, the Fulton County District Attorney said the federal indictment will have no impact on our election investigation. So it looks like it's full steam ahead, early to mid-August. And I don't know if that'll be the next one. That's the only pause. I do think there's a pretty good likelihood of a January 6th indictment, and I don't think it's necessarily going to be after August.
Right, and the January 6th, of course, is Jack Smith under his purview, the other part of the criminal investigation. So